How to add background to music in Clipchamp. Got music but no visual? Let's add a cool background to your audio in Clipchamp. Quick and clean. Click Export Media, choose your music or voiceover, and drag it onto the audio timeline. Now let's make it look good. Add a visual, either upload your own image or video or search stock video for something like abstract loop, scenery, or animation. Drag it to the video timeline and stretch it to match your audio length. Want more? Add text with the text tab like song title or your social handle. You can also apply filters, adjust colors, or add motion for a professional vibe. Play it back. Now your music has a style visual background. When it's perfect, click export and you have got yourself a music video or audio post ready to share. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.